Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the Sonex Art. Today, I want to share with you this amazing portrait using charcoal and pastel to create this stunning artwork. Stay tuned, watch to the end so that you don't miss anything out. So, let's go. And if it's your first time coming across this channel or page, do well to subscribe or follow for more so that you don't miss anything as we dive into. Here, I teach how to draw, how to paint all types of portrait, both charcoal, pastel and oil painting and acrylic. So as we watch, stay tuned, don't miss. Alright. So after sketching my work, I start with a little detailing. After applying the shade, I shade and bring up the food on the face and all the shadow I need on the face. Sometimes I start from the light to the darker side. Sometimes I start from the darker to the lighter side, as the case may be. But this particular portrait really got me doing some skills, some extra skill because of the reflection on the face down to the chin. I thought it was a natural thing. So that's the reason why I really want to share with you this amazing stunning portrait. As you watch to the end, you can see more detail I put onto this work. This work took me 8 hours to finish it. It's an amazing art piece. So continue to watch so that you don't miss out. So after applying the shade using charcoal dust, I have charcoal dust using it to using the powder to bring out the shade and the food on the face. Then after that I use monozero, um trying to get some little detailing and some light and some tiny hair effect using charcoal pencil to get all those darker effects, as you can see. So what really got me amazed with this work, I so much enjoy the the strong effect on the face while working it. I enjoy every bit concerning the face. So as you watch, you see what I'm saying. It was really amazing. Don't forget to share it, comment, tell me what you think of it so that I can improve. Your comments and your courage can help me improve more. So share your thoughts about the work and tell me how you feel more about the work. So as we develop into the picture, we're trying to bring out more detailing. After fixing the axe, I think we have a human face right now. So still working on the eye and trying to create more detailings on the face. As you can see, yeah, we're still going. Yes, after fixing the eye. Wow, what a wonderful portrait. Oh, so that is it. Trying to get more depth, trying to make it look more real. Yes. Always check my subscribe or follow so you'll not be missing my update upon this drawing tutorial. If you have anybody that is interested in drawing, you can share my link to them so they can come to my page or channel so they will be watching the tutorial I made here. It's really amazing. Always thank you for your support. It's your humble artist, the Sonex Art. Yeah, as you can see. Well, I think here is some final detailing that I've left that I'm just trying to touch and work on the background. I think we are coming to an end of this tutorial. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you in my next video. Thank you. Thank everyone. Give your time, your support. Help me share for more. I'm so grateful, and I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you wonderfully. Still remain your humble artist. That's Sonex, your favorite artist. Yeah, like what you see, right? I think we have a wonderful portrait here. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one. See you in my next video. Love you. I'm out.